So far we've learned two ways to graph. We've used the table of values, and then we've used kind of a modified table of values, which is finding the x and y intercept. So setting y equal to 0 and x equal to 0. There's one more method that I want to show you for graphing, and that's using the slope-intercept form. And I really feel like this is the best method. You're going to love it. It makes things easy. Don't be mad at me that I showed you the other two ways. They're super important conceptually, but this way is pretty awesome. So if you put an equation in this form, so you solve for y and then you put whatever term has the x in it first and then plus your constant, so just your number here, this is slope-intercept form. And the cool thing is the number that's in front of the x, like your coefficient there, is going to be the slope. And b, so the constant at the end, is the y-intercept. And then you're done. Graph your y-intercept, put in the slope, and you've got your line. So to do this, first you have to solve for y if your equation isn't already done so. And then you're going to determine the slope and y-intercept from the equation. And in the next section, we'll translate those into graphs. Okay, so here we've been given an equation and two variables. First, we're going to solve for y. So we subtract 3x from both sides, leaving us down here. And then we divide everything by 2 to isolate the y. And that gives us this equation down here. And so the number in front of the x is negative 3 over 2. That means your slope, or m we call it, is negative 3 over 2. And your y-intercept is the constant at the end, which is 3.